Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and support the transmission with a jack stand. Using a 21mm socket and wrench, remove the bolts on each end of the factory crossmember. With a 15mm socket, remove the 2 bolts in the center. Then, remove the factory transmission crossmember. Step 3. Slide in the transmission crossmember and put a bolt in to hold it in place. Repeat on both sides. Finally, install or reinstall the original bolts using a 21mm and 15mm socket and wrench. Paint the part with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Then you're done.